गुरु महागणाधिपतये नमः। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्। महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुख प्रचोदयात्। भूतनाथाय विद्महे भवपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नः शास्ता प्रचोदयात्। आदित्याय च सोमाय मंगलाय बुधाय च गुरुशुक्रशनिभ्यश्च राहवे केतवे नमो नमः। आञ्जनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि हनुमत् प्रचोदयात्। कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धर्म गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोहिणां वितजे सर्वविद्यानां श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सद्गुरु चरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमदपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशिने चिपसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा विनायकादि समस्त हरिहर देवताभ्यो नमो नमः। सर्व अपराध क्षमार्दं सर्व मंगल प्राप्त्यर्थं अलंकार पंचमुख दीपं दर्शयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि दिव्य रक्षां धारयामि इंद्रस्तोमेन पंचदशेन मध्यमिदं वातेन सहरेण रक्षां धारयामि। ओम हरा ओके सर।
Namaste. Sriram just texted me about, can you hear me all? Can you hear me okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. Sriram just texted me saying that he's stuck at work, and so then you are stuck with me, unless someone else from the group wants to speak or say something. Okay, so if no one is ready, what I'm planning to do is to give a gist and to give a little intro to one of the greatest of the prayers, Stotra or Gita, called Aditya Hridayam. Aditya Hridayam. Next Friday is Ratha Saptami. Ratha Saptami. On this day, sun god is worshipped, and we just had Makara Sankranti. So if you're all okay, we can do that. Otherwise, if there is any alternative suggestion, we can go with that. Yeah, can we do this? I just want yes from someone or no from someone, and I can give you other alternatives.
It'll be nice, Raju. Please do it.
Please go ahead, Raju.
Thank you. I appreciate. Lasya from India has joined. I just woke her up to see if she can chant because I didn't want you to get bored with my chanting, which sometimes is tuneless. And Lasya, thank you for joining. Thank you. Sorry to wake you up.
My sister is actually the one in India. I'm here.
Oh, you're here, Lasya. Okay, Sri Prada is in India. Okay, so Sri Prada was supposed to, and then I think she's not quite ready. Lasya is Ayurveda student.
No, my sister
I
studies.
always get confused between you. So Sri
She'll
Prada
be-
is Ayurveda student and Lasya is in college now.
No, I'm in 12th grade. I'm going to college soon.
Going to college. Okay. So now high school.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Lasya. And both are daughters of Venkat, who teaches Gita in Austin. So, Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. So, Aditya Hridayam. Aditya Hridayam is highly revered and one of the most powerful prayers that Maharshi Valmiki has given to us. You see this in Yuddha Kanda of Valmiki Ramayana. Valmiki Ramayana. There are two great texts which were taught in the war field. One of them you already know is none other than Bhagavad Gita by Lord Shri Krishna to Arjuna, and which has been very popular. And the second one, which was taught in the war field, was Aditya Hridayam. So both of them have given instant results, and both of them propel us in our work and make us successful, energetic, inspired. So these are the two great verses. While there are 700 verses in Bhagavad Gita, there are 31 verses in Aditya Hridayam. 31 verses. Aditya Hridayam is in Sanskrit. This was taught by Agastya Mahamuni, Agastya Rishi, or Agastya Bhagavan Rishi. Agastya was a great sage, one of the greatest of the sages, Agastya, one of the Saptarshis. He was Kumbha Sambhava. He's actually dear to us, to some of our neonatologists, that he probably was born premature and was put in a pot. Kumbha means pot, Sambhava born. So he probably was born prematurely and was put in an isolate and then so grew, so Agastya Maharshi. And his name Agastya means, Aga means mountain, Sta means Stambhana. When Vindhyas were growing so much, and everyone had so much of reverence for Agastya Maharshi, so he could stop Vindhya Parvatas grow. Aga means mountain, Stambhanam, so he could stop. And he's the one who was set to sip the entire ocean. So there is symbolic meanings for this. And he also is known to give us the power of digestion. So this is the greatness of Agastya Mahamuni. And in the war field, Rama Ravana Yuddha is happening. And Ravana is no less of a warrior. He was a terror. He was very powerful. And he was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. And he was a great warrior. And Rama Ravana Yoho Yuddham, between Rama and Ravana, if you have to compare, Valmiki Maharshi and everyone else say that Rama Ravana Yoriva, like if you have to compare ocean, you can only compare ocean with another ocean. If you have to compare sky, you can only compare with another sky. So if you have to compare Rama Ravana Yuddha, you can only compare with Rama Ravana Yuddha. So that was going on. And then Rama at one stage was so tired, physically tired, mentally exhausted, intellectually He just didn't know what else to do. And this is a time. Deva's request, all the gods request Agastya Mahamuni to go to Rama and propel him. And Agastya Mahamuni comes to Rama and asks Rama to pray to sun god. So now people question, how come Rama himself, being the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, should he salute sun god to get inspired? So there are a lot of explanations given. Again, within my limitation, there's so many learned people, please pardon me if I am just saying something you already know. So here, Rama belongs to Sun clan of sun god. So Inakula Vamshatilaka. So Ravi Kula Vamshatilaka. So he is from sun god. So he has taken incarnation in the human form in the clan of sun god. So Surya Vamsha. Then sun is also another incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Adityanam aham Vishnuhu in Bhagavad Gita we see. So sun god is none other than Vishnu himself. If you look at the names of the mantras used, you will realize that this is not just sun god, but the supreme Parabrahma, the supreme consciousness who is mentioned here, who is expressed as the luminosity in sun god. Because in Bhagavad Gita we see, Yada Aditya Gatam Tejaha Jagad Bhasayate Akhilam. That Tejas which is in Aditya, O Arjuna, know that as mine. That Natatra Suryo Bhati Nachandra Tarakam. So the luminosity which is given to sun god is none other than Vishnu himself. So here what we have to remember is Agastya Mahamuni is reminding Rama's own innate luminosity, consciousness to be inspired, and by saluting to sun god. And if you look at sun god is Pratyaksha Daivam for us. Without sun, we know for last a day or two in Texas, without sun god, what state we are in. And without sun god, imagine what state the earth would be in. Our body, mind, and intellect is nourished and sustained and propelled by the effects of earth for the body, nourishment, mind by the effect of moon, and the intellect by sun. And earth and moon in turn are illuminated and influenced by sunlight. So the sunlight is responsible for our creation, sustenance, and dissolution. So Srishti, Sthiti, Laya. Now, so these 31 verses are divided according to their importance. The first 5 verses talk about the greatness of the stotra. What is it for? Because whenever we talk about anything, we ask VIF, what is in it for me? VIF, what's in it for me? So the Visishtata is said in the beginning and also at the end as Phalashruti. So Amalasya, if you're ready, so let's start up to verse 5. Sri Prada is also there. Oh, thank you, Amma. Okay, good. Okay, so however we like to divide, so we have nice 45 minutes. So my plan is we will do this in these bits and then I'll tell the importance and then at the end we can chant the whole thing. It takes about 6 minutes or 7 minutes. Yes. Okay, whoever wants, Lasya or Sri Prada, you can divide between yourself.
My sister will start.
Okay, Sri Prada. 1 to 5.
Asyam आदित्यहृदयस्तोत्रस्यागस्त्य ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः आदित्यहृदये भूतो भगवान् ब्रह्मा देवता निरस्ताशेषविघ्नतया ब्रह्मविद्या सिद्धौ सर्वत्र जयसिद्धौ च विनियोगः ॐ ततो युद्धपरिश्रान्तं समरे चिन्तया स्थितं रावणं चाग्रतो दृष्ट्वा युद्धाय समुपस्थितं दैवतैश्च समागम्य द्रष्टुमभ्यागतोरणम् उपागम्याब्रवीद्रामम् अगस्त्यो भगवान् ऋषिः राम राम महाबाहो शृणु गुह्यं सनातनं येन सर्वान् नरीन् वत्स समरे विजयिष्यसि आदित्यहृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुविनाशनं जयावहं जपेन्नित्यम् अक्षयं परमं शिवं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनं चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनमुत्तमम्.
Thank you. Dr. Nair, can you give me the power to share? I just want to show.
You're ready.
Yeah. Okay. Please tell me if you can see. Sorry, not that.
You're not seeing, Raj.
Yeah.
No, it came and went.
Can you see now?
No,
Can you?
no.
One second. Share. How about it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Aditya Hridayam. Now these 5 verses. Thank you, Shriprada. Tato yuddha parishrantam samare chintaya sthitam. In that war field, worried, worrisome, looking at Ravanam chagrato drustva yuddhaya samupasthitam, who is ready to fight. Daivataischa samagamya drastum abhyagataha ranam. So along with the gods, Agastya Mahamuni came, and he, approaching Rama, upa agamya abravit ramam agastyaha bhagavan rishi. Rishi means mantra drashta, a visionary. Bhagavan is the one who is endowed with great 6 qualities: Aishwarya, Yashas, Dharma, Jnana, and Vairagya, and Shriyam. So all these 6 great qualities Agastya Mahamuni, Rishi, the great visionary, had. And he's saying, Hey Rama, O Mahabaho, the mighty armed, Shrinu, listen, Guhyam, the most secretful, Sanatanam, ancient, Stotram, by knowing which, by remembering which, by praying to who, Samare Vijayishyasi, you shall attain the victory in this war. And this is Aditya Hridayam. This is the essence of Aditya. Sarva Shatru Vinashanam. It can destroy all the Shatrus, Antar Shatrus, Bahya Shatrus. And Jayavaham, endowed with success. Jape Nityam, Akshayam, Paramam Shivam. The most auspiciousness will be bestowed upon you. Sarva Mangala Mangalyam, the best of the best. Sarva Papa Pranashanam, the destroyer of all the defects and deficits and errors and mistakes and the problems and obstacles. Chinta Ashoka Prashamanam, the one which will take away all the worries. Ayurvardhanam Uttamam, it will increase your longevity, health, and wealth. So that comes next. So from verse 6 to 15, these 10 verses is the Hridayasthanam. Here, Maharshi Valmiki has put in mantras with the names of sun god. and also how powerful he is. So we shall chant now the next 10 verses from verse 6 to 15, and I'll explain a little bit afterwards. So verse 6 till 15.
इमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुर नमस्कृतं पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरं सर्वदेवात्मको ह्येषा तेजस्वी रश्मिभावनः एष देवासुरगणान् लोकान् पाति गभस्तिभिः एष ब्रह्मा च विष्णुश्च शिवस्कन्दः प्रजापतिः महेन्द्रो धनदः कालो यमः सोमो ह्यपाम्पतिः पितरो वसवः साध्या ह्यश्विनौ मरुतो मनुः वायुर्वह्निः प्रजाप्राणा ऋतुकर्ता प्रभाकरः आदित्यः सविता सूर्यः खगः पूषा गभस्तिमान् सुवर्णसदृशो भानुः हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः.
Go on, please, until 15.
Okay. हरिदश्वः सहस्रार्चिः सप्तसप्तिर्मरीचिमान् तिमिरोन्मथनः शम्भुः त्वष्टामार्तण्डांशुमान् हिरण्यगर्भः शिशिरः तपनो भास्करो रविः अग्निगर्भोदितेः पुत्रः शङ्खः शिशिरनाशनः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमो.
Thank you. So now the Vaibhava, the glory of sun god, is explained in these 10 verses. So these 10 verses, as you can see, talks about the great qualities of sun god and great powerful names of sun god. Rashmi Mantam, he is endowed with luminosity. Samudyantam, ever rising. Deva Asura Namaskrutam. He is saluted equally by the selfish and selfless people. So Devas and Asuras. Devas are selfless people, those who do good to the world. Asuras are just those who want to live for themselves. And O Rama, Puja Yasva, you salute him. Vivasvantam, the one who envelopes this entire universe with his light. The one who envelopes this entire universe with his light. Bhaskaram, Bhaskara. Bha means light. Bhasam karoti iti Bhaskara. The one who makes the light, the maker of the light. So Bhaskara. In fact, Bharata, our country's name, India's name, is from this root word Bha, Prakasha, which represents Jnana. And Bhuvaneshwaram, he is the controller of this Bhuvana, earth or universe. Then he is embodiment of all devas. And here Agastya Maharshi says to Rama that by just remembering sun god, you are remembering all these gods, because each of these gods' powers you can see in sun god. He is Brahma, he is Vishnu, and he is Shiva. Brahma is Srishtikarta, Vishnu is a sustainer, and Shiva is a dissolver. And you can see how the things are created on earth, sustained and dissolved by sun god. And he is Mahendra, he is Kubera, Dhanada, he is Kala, he is the time, He's Yama and he's the controller. He's Soma, he's Chandra, because sustenance of Chandra is dependent on sun god. Apampatihi, and the water. Apa means water. Apampati means Varuna god. Then he is the representative of all Pitruganas, Pitaraha, Ashtavasus, Sadhyas, Ashwinas, and Maruts, the 7 different kinds of wind gods influenced by sun god. Vayuhu, Agni, Prajapati, and Rutukarta, the maker of the seasons. Prabhakaraha. Prabha means a special light. So he is the maker of that. Is Aditya. Aditya comes from Adi means first. That's one. Aditya. Aditiputra Aditya. The son of Aditi is Aditya. And son of Ditis are called Daityas. So Aditya. There are 12 Adityas. 12 Adityas, Dwadasha Adityas. So we have 12 months. The sun in November is not the same as sun in December. And the sun in February is not the same as sun in March. So he has different shades and different modes and is known with 12 different names, as Swami Chinmayananda says. So Aditya. Savita. Savita means the creator. Savitru. So the Gayatri mantra, as you can see, Tat Savitu Varenyam. So Savita. Gayatri mantra is directed to sun god. That's why it is so powerful when we chant at sunrise, sunset, and Madhyana time. Then Ashwas, Haridashva, Sahasrachir, Sapta Saptir, Marichiman. So I'm just skipping some. As you can see, we have only very short time. And as Malli and Anup know that, it takes just an hour to talk about 1 or 2 verses with elaborating the significance, both the literary and philosophical significance of these names. So Savita. So Savita means the creator. Surya. Surya means Surayati Sarvan Karmasu, the one who propels everyone in their own work. The one who propels everyone in their own work, the one who propels us to go to work and then get involved in the work and work is sun god, as you can see. So Surayati. So Surayati is Surya. Then Khaga, the one who goes in the space. So that Khaga, the space is this Hridaya in our own heart, the one who is illumining our consciousness. So there are so many literary meanings and philosophical meanings of these. So Suvarna Sadrishaha, the one with the golden hue, Bhanu, fully luminous, and Haridashva Sahasrachir Sapta Sapti. So he's got thousands of rays. And these thousands of rays are these thousands of thoughts, inspirational thoughts in us, which come from sun god. Sapta Sapti. So his horses are the 7 days that we see. The 7 days are his 7 horses. Then Timiron Madhanaha, the one who drives away the darkness or Ajnana in us. And then Martanda. Martanda is Mrutam Andam Janayati, the one who recreates the dead. See, whatever is dissolved is born again by the power of sun god. So, and whatever that energy lost in us, he recreates within us. So that is Martanda. Then Hiranyagarbha, Shishiraha, Tapanaha, Bhaskaraha, Ravihi, and so on. So these names, there are 70 plus names given in these 10 verses. And as I said, these are mantras given by Valmiki Maharshi to us. Nakshatra Graha Tara Nam Adhipaha. He is a master of all the stars and planets. Tejasamapi Tejasvi. He is the luminosity among all luminaries that we know of. Salutations to this sun god. And now, from verse 16 to 21, you will see Namaha so many times. As you see Rudram, Namakam, and Chamakam, it's called Namakam because it is endowed. The name is enjoined with the word namaha. Namaha means salutation. Namaha, if you divide this word into two syllables, na, ma. Nothing is mine. Oh God, everything is yours. Na means not, ma means mine. Nothing is mine. So namaha means salutation, and na, ma means not mine. Everything is yours. So this is Surya Namakam. Again, it is not said there, but it is said by so many gurus, and it's called Surya Namakam. And from verse 16 to 21.
नमः पूर्वाय गिरये पश्चिमायाद्रये नमः ज्योतिर्गणानां पतये दिनाधिपतये नमः जयाय जयभद्राय हर्यश्वाय नमो नमः नमो नमः सहस्रांशो आदित्याय नमो नमः नम उग्राय वीराय सारंगाय नमो नमः नमः पद्मप्रबोधाय मार्ताण्डाय नमो नमः ब्रह्मेशानाच्युतेशाय सूर्याय आदित्यवर्चसे भास्वते सर्वभक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः तमोघ्नाय हिमघ्नाय शत्रुघ्नाय मितात्मने कृतघ्नघ्नाय देवाय ज्योतिषां पतये नमः तप्तचामीकराभाय वह्नये विश्वकर्मणे नमस्तमोऽभिनिघ्नाय रुचये लोकसाक्षिणे.
So these are 34 names, and Maharshi purposefully put 34 names here because 3 plus 4 becomes 7. And then 7 is this auspicious number for sun god, Ratha Saptami. So next week we'll celebrate this. And his Ashwas are 7, and these 7 days are his 7 Ashwas. So there are 7 rays also, the 7 Bhuvanas, which are illumined by each of that particular ray, which comes from sun god. So there is much more to this. And 7 is a very mystic number as well. So salutations to these. Salutations in the form of, or by saying these 34 different names. As you can see, Jayaya, the one who is victory himself. Jayabhadraya, the one who bestows victory, and victory such that which doesn't leave us. So that is Jayabhadra. And Tamoghnaya, the one who removes the tamas, or that jada, or that laziness, or procrastination, or ajnana, or ignorance in us. Shatrughna, the one who destroys the enemies within and without. Jyotisham pataye, so the Lord of all illuminaries. Then the next 3 verses, it talks about what does he do for us without any selfishness, and what does he do for the universe. So these 3 verses, Shri Prada. Nashayatya 21. Yeah.
नाशयत्येष वैभूतं तदेव सृजति प्रभुः पायत्येष तपत्येष वर्षत्येष गभस्तिभिः एष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः एष एवाग्निहोत्रं च फलं चैवाग्निहोत्रिणां वेदाश्च क्रतवश्चैव क्रतूनां फलमेव च यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्वेश रविः प्रभुः.
Thank you. So he, Nashayati, he destroys. Then Payati, he sustains. Then Tapati, he scorches us. And Varshayati, and he is the cause of the rain by his rays. Esha Supteshu Jagarti, he is the indweller, and he is the shining luminosity in sleeping individuals. So Esha Supteshu Jagarti. So this is the one who awakens us. And this is like the verses in Bhagavad Gita. Uttishta, Uttishta, Klaibyam Asmagama Partha, Naitattvai Upapadyate, Kshudram Hridaya Daurbalyam, Tyaktva Uttishta Parantapa. So like that, Uttishta, Uttishta. So this is Jagarana Stotra. And I am the one, or the sun god is the one who is known through all the Vedas and Yajna Phalas. So it is again what is emphasized in Gita, Bhoktaram, Yajna Tapasam, Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. So he is the Lord of all yajnas. Aham kraturaham yajnaha, swadhaham ahamaushadham, mantroham ahamevajyam. So like that, sun god is represented as the master and the Lord representing all others. Now next, here is a Phalashruti. So what's in it for me? If you remember this, if you know the glories, and if you chant these names and the mantras by knowing the meaning of it, or even if you do not know the meaning, just like we do not know what is in COVID vaccine or in Tylenol, but without knowing the composition of it, we know the effect of it, or we get the effect of it. And here is a Phalashruti from 25 to 27.
एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत् त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधेष्यसि एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्.
So enam, this stotram, apatsu, whenever you are in difficulties, kruchreshu, the tough times, kantareshu, in the forest without knowing. Forest means a place where you do not know where to go to. Bhayeshu, when you are endured with fear, when you are fearful or scared of something. Kirtayan Purushaha, whoever he may be, whoever she may be, she who remembers this, na avasidati, will not see the downfall, will not see the failure, O Raghava, O Rama. Then what you should do, puja yasva, so worship him, ekagro, with the concentration, Devadevam Jagatpatim, the God of gods and the Lord of this Jagat. And do it 3 times. Why 3 times? 3 times for so many things. So the importance of 3 in our dharma, our Sanatana dharma, has got a lot of significance because we go through this triputi, our body, mind, and intellect, our wakefulness, our sleep, and our dream status, past, present, and future, and so many other things which talks about the 3, sattva, rajo, tamo, gunas, and this triputi. So 3 times if you can. And tvam ravanam vadhishyasi, you shall certainly attain the victory over Raman. Asmin kshane, right now, right here. Having said this, eva muktva, Agastya Maharshi, Jagamacha Yadhagatam, not expecting anything back. He just went back. So that is the greatness of Mahatmas. And then what did Rama do? 28th to 30th. Etat Shrutvama, Sri Prada. 28, 29, 30.
एतत् श्रुत्वा महातेजाः नष्टशोको अभवत् तदा धारयामास सुप्रीतो राघवः प्रयतात्मवान् आदित्यं प्रेक्ष्य जप्त्वा तु परं हर्षमवाप्तवान् त्रिराजं यशुचिर्भूत्वा धनुरादाय वीर्यवान् रावणं प्रेक्ष्य हृष्टात्मा युद्धाय समुपागमत् सर्वयत्नेन महता वधे तस्य धृतो अभवत्.
Etat Shrutva, having heard this, Mahateja, that great, powerful Rama, Nastashokaha abhavat tada. Nastashokaha, that all that shoka, all that worry, all that tiredness, and all that weakness and all that meekness which momentarily came to Rama, Nashtaha. Same as in Bhagavad Gita, I say, Nashto moha smritir labdha tvat prasadanmaya achyuta sthitosmi gata sandeha karishye vachanam tava. Instant result, instant effect. So nashta shokaha abhavat. Then dharaya masa, he remembered, concentrated, and chanted, remembered, and prayed to sun god Supritaha, and very happily, very dearly. Adityam Preksha, having seen sun god, Japtva, having said this, and Param Harsham Avaptavan. He not only got lost all the worry, all the worry was gone, but some utsaha and then some energy has, which is inexplicable, has come. So Param Harsham Avaptavan. Then Dhanuradaya Viryavan. So he held his bow back again. Ravanam Preksha, having seen this Ravana in front, Ravana, let it be corona or anyone or any difficulty, any problem in the world, Rishtatma, so happily ready to face Yuddhaya Samupagamat. So Yuddha is ready to face the troubles. Then Sarvayatnena, with all his efforts, Mahata, the great efforts, which are within Rama himself, have now come into effect. Then another important thing happens. The sun god himself tells Rama, get ready and go and defeat Ravana right now and right here. And Twara, he says. Twara means get ready and do it as fast as ASAP, ASAP, Twara. And that's how sun god propels Rama. And the last one is 31st verse by sun god himself. Atha Ravihi Avadan Ramam Nirikshya Muditamanaha, happily Paramam Prahushyamanaha. He was very pleased because sun god is Namaskara Priya. There are actually so many. Vishnu is Alankara Priya. That's why you see beautifully, Venkatesha, Balaji, Alankara. And Abhisheka Priya is Shiva. And you see Abhishekas to Lord Shiva in our temple and everywhere else. And Namaskara Priya is sun god. Bhojana Priya are our, Modaka Priya is Ganesha, Bhojana Priya is Brahmins, they say, and Kalaha Priya is Narada. But we talked about Narada in last few sessions. Okay, then Nishacharapati Samshayam Viditva, knowing that Ravana would be conquered by Rama, then Suragana Madhyagataha, that Ravi, sun god amidst of all gods, Vachaha, he said, Twara iti, vachastvareti, Twara. Do it, Rama, ASAP, as soon as possible. So that instant effect you will see. And Shiprada, chant this, please.
अथर्विरवदन् निरीक्ष्य रामम् मुदितमनः परमं प्रहृष्यमाणः निशिचरपतिसंख्यं विदित्वा सुरगणमध्यगतो वचस्त्वरेति.
इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये युद्धकाण्डे सप्तोत्तरशत Tamaha Sargaha. So it is 117 Sarga in Yuddhakanda, Adikavya, Ramayana by Valmiki Maharshi. So you'll find this, and it is very popularly seen in YouTube. You can listen to, but I have not heard this melodiously in any of the YouTube, Sri Prada. So we ask you to chant this without any interruption. And after that, we will do Hanuman Chalisa and Mangala Shlokas and then leave 5 minutes for discussion. And I want to just salute Sun God himself for propelling this. I do not know, even just before getting up from the bed this morning, somebody sent a beautiful essay with these divisions. I read about Aditya Hridayam elsewhere, but I found this as a 2-page brief essay in Telugu. Somebody sent it to me. And this morning, I never had an intention of saying this this evening until Sri Ram texted me and Sri Prada accepted. So Sri Prada, without any interruption, if you can chant, I'll just show the verses. Over to you, please. From Tato Yuddha Parishram.
युद्धपरिश्रान्तं समरे चिन्तया स्थितं रावणं चाग्रतो दृष्ट्वा युद्धाय समुपस्थितं दैवतैश्च समागम्य द्रष्टुमभ्यागतोरणम् उपागम्याब्रवीद्रामम् अगस्त्यो भगवान् ऋषिः राम राम महाबाहो शृणु गुह्यं सनातनं येन सर्वान् नरेन् वत्स समरे विजयिष्यसि आदित्यहृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुविनाशनं जयावहं जपेन्नित्यम् अक्षयं परमं शिवं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनं चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनमुत्तमं रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुर नमस्कृतं पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरं सर्वदेवात्मको ह्येष तेजस्वी रश्मिभावनः एष देवासुरगणान् लोकान् पाति गभस्तिभिः एष ब्रह्मा च विष्णुश्च शिवस्कन्दः प्रजापतिः महेन्द्रो धनदः कालो यमः सोमो ह्यपाम्पतिः पितरो वसवः साध्या ह्यश्विनौ मरुतो मनुः वायुर्वह्निः प्रजाप्राणा ऋतुकर्ता प्रभाकरः आदित्यः सविता सूर्यः खगः पूषा गभस्तिमान् सुवर्णसदृशो भानुः हिरण्यरेतादिवाकरः हरिदश्वः सहस्रार्चिः सप्तसप्तिर्मरीचिमान् तिमिरोन्मथनः शम्भुः त्वष्टा मार्तण्डंशुमान् हिरण्यगर्भः शिशिरः तपनो भास्करो रविः अग्निगर्भोदितेः पुत्रः शङ्खः शिशिरनाशनः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते नमः पूर्वाय गिरये पश्चिमायाद्रये नमः ज्योतिर्गणानां पतये दिनाधिपतये नमः जयाय जयभद्राय हर्यश्वाय नमो नमः नमो नमः सहस्रांशो आदित्याय नमो नमः नम उग्राय वीराय सारंगाय नमो नमः नमः पद्मप्रबोधाय मार्ताण्डाय नमो नमः ब्रह्मेशानाच्युतेशाय सूर्यायादित्यवर्चसे भास्वते सर्वभक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः तमोघ्नाय हि शत्रुघ्नाय मितात्मने कृतघ्नघ्नाय देवाय ज्योतिषां पतये नमः तप्तचामीकराभाय वह्नये विश्वकर्मणे नमस्तमोऽभिनिघ्नाय रुचये लोकसाक्षिणे नाशयत्येष वैभूतं तदेव सृजति प्रभुः पायत्येष तपत्येष वर्षत्येष गभस्तिभिः एष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः एष एवाग्निहोत्रं च फलं चैवाग्निहोत्रिणां वेदाश्च क्रतवश्चैव क्रतूनां फलमेव च यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्वेषु रविः प्रभुः एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत् त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम् एतच्छ्रुत्वा महातेजाः नष्टशोको अभवत् तदा धारयामास सुप्रीतो राघवः प्रयतात्मवान् आदित्यं प्रेक्ष्य जप्त्वा तु परं हर्षमवाप्तवान् त्रिराजं शुचिर्भूत्वा धनुरादाय वीर्यवान् रावणं प्रेक्ष्य हृष्टात्मा युद्धाय समुपागमत् सर्वयत्नेन महता वधे तस्य धृतो अभवत् अथर्वविरवदन्निरीक्ष्य रामम् मुदितमनाः परमं प्रहृष्यमाणः निशिचरपतिसंशयं विदित्वा सुरगणमध्ये गतो वचस्त्वरेति.
Thank you. And Steve, are you ready for Hanuman Chalisa?
Yes, I am.
Please go ahead.
Hari Om. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raje Nij Mane Mukar Sudhare Varnau Raghuvara Vimala Jasu Chodayak Falachare Buddhihin Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavana Kumar Palavudi Vidya Devu Mohi Haravu Kalesa Vikara Jai Hanuman Jnana Gana Sagar Jai Kapisa Loku Jagar Ramadut Atulita Baladama Anjani Putra Pavana Sutanama Mahavira Vikrama Bajrangi Sumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi Kanchana Varana Viraju Subhesa कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और त्वचा विराजे कांधे मूंछ जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिया ही दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंग जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर शिवर लाए रघुपति कीनी बहुत बधाए तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाए सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे, उस प्रति श्री पंथी कंठ लगावे। संकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहान दे, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहानते। तुम उपकार सुग्री अवकीना, राम मिलाए राजपद दीना। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो तारि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि, चल दिलांगी गए अजर जनाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, हो तुन आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सकल तुम्हारी शरण, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपै, तीनों लोक हांक के काम पाए। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं नावे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब बीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट से हनुमान जुलावे, मन गर्म वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग पर तब तुम्हारा, आई पर सिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नाम के दाता, उस पर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुवीर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरहि, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करहि। संकट कटे मिटे सब भीरा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बल बीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की न्याय। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, चुते बंदी महा सुख होई। जो यपदे हनुमान चालीसा, ओय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जय दास हृदय मंदेरा। पवन तनया संकट हरना, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप।
Thank you, Steve. Appreciate. So we have just a minute or two. If Shri Prada, thank you so much once again for a wonderful rendering. Any brief comments, please? I know we don't have much time to discuss, but
Hey, Raju,
yes,
I saw that Konark Sun Temple.
yes, sir.
Is it that Ratha thing, and based on that, is that the same thing?
Yes. The Konarka temple is sun god, temple of sun god. And Ratha Yatra, which happens in Puri, is Jagannath Ratha Yatra. That is different. But it is Ratha Saptami is again a festival of sun god in this Vasanta Masa or Magha Masa.
Thank you.
Raju, just one comment. Boy, it was exceptional. With your unbelievable knowledge and ability to explain, and Sripada's beautiful, melodious, unbelievable way of chanting. I cannot believe how beautiful the whole thing was.
Yeah, all the beauty came because of just Sri Prada's, I think it's meant to be, I guess. This morning, this Palakurti garu, so Venkat and Sri Prada, I'll send it to you. I just happened to see the 2-page essay sent in WhatsApp by someone, and I just read it, and I thought, oh, what a beautiful way of analyzing and describing it in parts, and then, how lucky are we that we could discuss and share together. Thank you. And
Okay, Raju, you want to say the Mangala Sloka and then continue a little bit? Continue
yes,
if you
sir.
want.
Okay, yeah, I know we have a
And
meeting coming up.
I have to make an important announcement after that.
Yes, sir. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Santi 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 Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.
Thank you. Sripada, thank you for doing it and doing it with us with such a short notice. And you are in India, right?
Actually, I do Aditya Rhythm every morning, and so it was just part of my routine.
Oh, probably we should invite you every morning, every day this time.
Oh, yeah, I just wanted to show you, actually. I just finished, and I wanted to show you.
She's a very good painter, an artist. She
Oh,
just painted that Rama
thank
picture,
you,
it
thank
seems. If you can bring a little closer. Oh, that, yeah.
Yeah,
Rama and
raise it up a
Hanuman.
little bit, raise the cam. Okay, good. Oh, so beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
If Sripada talks, that would come
Painting.
Thank you, Sripada, for sharing it with us.
Yeah, Sri Prada.
Sri
Sir,
Prada.
sorry to correct. Yeah, so Sri Prada.
Sripada, yes, I see it, yes.
Yeah, last year, Sri Prada.
unbelievable.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, the little announcement that I had to make is on Monday, it'll be a special edition of Healing Prayers, and it'll start at 6:30 instead of 7 o'clock. And it is in celebration of Vasant Panchami, and that will be followed by the launching of our new website. So we'll send all the details by email and probably on our WhatsApp group messaging. But check out the email that should be going out probably tomorrow or so. Now, all this is contingent on weather permitting, and the weather is going to be very bad in Temple and probably the whole of Central Texas, the whole of the United States, it seems, on Monday. But if you don't have any internet and power outage, yes, we will do that. Most likely, there won't be any problem. And Onkara Mahaganapati will bless us with that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Over to you, Raju.
Shubharatri. I think that's it. 8:03 now. And thank you. And then we'll see you all on Monday.
Shubharatri, everyone.
Shubharatri.
Shubharatri.